I'm Kate Baker. I'm the Macmillan Deputy Head of Therapies and Clinical Lead Physiotherapist here at Village Cancer Centre. The BAPS app is an interactive app for patients to enable them to carry out their exercises after surgery and pre-radiotherapy in a timely fashion in their own home environment at their own leisure.
Hi, so I'm Carrie-Anne Quinn and I'm the Chief Executive here at the Life Sciences Hub Wales. So the Health Hack is an opportunity to bring together industry, academia, clinicians to talk about innovation, to hear about challenges faced across the health service in Wales and to work collaboratively to come up with some new innovative solutions that can improve patients' journeys here in Wales.
So the Health Hack actually allowed us to link with the technology industry to think about what we wanted and to actually put that into reality.
I've had the privilege of being one of the judges in the Welsh Health Hack for the last couple of years, and for me the BAPS app stood out as being special. It talked about patient benefits and it really brought the patient journey to life.
I'm Karen Bonham. I'm an NHS clinician. I'm a mum, I'm a wife, and I'm also a cancer patient.
We knew there was a knock-on effect with regards to patients not being properly ready for their radiotherapy, so to enable them to carry out their radiotherapy plan in position, and often patients weren't able to achieve this position. So we knew we wanted to look at something to make changes to how we were currently working.
The BAPS app is a way which really motivates and encourages people to undertake their exercises. It's based on best practice and it's available to everyone in Wales, whether you're a man or a woman who is suffering from breast cancer. It allows you to sort of gain that expertise to manage your own condition.
And it has a sense of achievement with the self-checks and the rewards that the app actually gives to individuals. And lastly, it's also has reduced the number of urgent referrals for physiotherapy to those patients who haven't been able to get into their planning position, and the urgent referrals coming through have reduced, which is a big impact from a physiotherapy perspective and the health economic side of things.